Okay, guys, we got our chicken wings, we have our butter, our garlic, our minced garlic, a lemon. We're going to be using garlic powder, parsley, onion powder, Creole seasoning, lemon pepper, of course. I also have some lemon and herb seasoning, citrus seasoning, a little bit of hot sauce, and some garlic salt. Okay, first I'm going to chop up the garlic and the onions, and then we're going to mix it all together. Okay, we're back. I have cut up the garlic. I've sliced lemons. I have a lemon. Um, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take some vegetable oil and we're going to drizzle that over the wings. And then we're just gonna start seasoning. I just eyeball my seasonings. And I just go back in when I feel like it needs more seasoning. But you can just eyeball it to however you like it. Then we're gonna have some Creole. Creole seasoning, a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder. These gonna be seasoned, y'all. I don't play. I season my food, you know. And then the star of everything is the lemon powder. Then we're gonna juice a lemon. Make sure you get them seeds. Sometimes they fall. Some lemons in there. This is gonna put it apart from everything. Okay. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of hot sauce. And we're gonna add some minced garlic to these wings. These wings gonna be fire. These are gonna be fire. We're just gonna mix it. We're just gonna mix it all up. Mix it all up. Mix it all up. You can smell the lemon in there. You can smell it looking all good. Seasoning. Okay. The last thing we're gonna add is parsley. I'm gonna add some parsley onto those wings. I love me some parsley on my food to make it all pretty and nice. We're also gonna add some fresh garlic. I'm gonna make a butter sauce later for the wings, and I'm gonna use some of the garlic. So, but no, you can add some too. So I'm gonna mix that. Then we're gonna start layering our wings. Okay? Okay, we're gonna start layering our wings on our cooking sheet. I have a cooking sheet with foil and spray, non-sticking spray at the bottom. I was going to put the wings on it, but then I found this rack and I love using the rack, so we're going to use the rack. Just trying to fit all our wings on here. Okay, this is how it's looking so far. Okay. Okay, This is how it's looking. So we're back, and I have the lemon pepper wings ready to go in the oven. I couldn't fit all of them, so I put some on the side. I added some lemons, and we're gonna add some more lemon pepper all over it. And I have my oven preheated at 375, so we're gonna put these in the oven at 375 for an hour. Then we're gonna check halfway. So let me put my timer on for an hour. We're gonna put these bad boys in the oven, and then we're gonna make our butter shots. And I'm gonna come back. So I just added 1 1/2 of butter, sticks of butter, and then we're gonna add some minced pepper. Just eyeball a little bit. We're gonna add the rest of our fresh garlic. Love garlic. I'm gonna add the rest of that lemon juice. Just add the rest of the lemon juice in there. Use all this lemon. I don't waste nothing over here. Use all that lemon. Stir. Some lemon pepper, of course. So this is how the butter sauce is coming along. It smells really good. I'm just gonna let that just do its thing for like 5 minutes and then cut it off. Then the halfway point when we take out our wings, we're gonna baste them with the sauce. The lemon pepper is out the oven. This is halfway done. And so we're going to flip them and put them back in the oven. So let's flip them. I'll take our tongs and flip them on the side. It smells so good and delicious. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to dig in. Our wings are flipped over. We're going to take our butter sauce and we're going to put all our butter over it. Half of it. Put it all over it. Okay. Like this. And we're going to put it back in the oven. So I just took them out the oven and basted them with the last of the garlic butter mixture. And I'm going to put them back in the oven for about 5-10 minutes and then we're going to be done. This is how the lemon pepper wings are looking after being in the oven. Yummy. So this is how you do it, and plate up and have you some ranch or anything. And yeah, this is it. My famous lemon pepper wings. Garlic too.